There is a long-standing war between Cape buffalo and one of their main predators, lions. One kill can provide several meals for a pride. But occasionally, the buffalo strike back.
We just put on some searchlights to look, and we could see dust, and we could see buffaloes moving and circling, but you could see these animals were very agitated. There was this lion, male lion, quite an old guy. The buffaloes were moving in on him, and they were using their bosses, and they were actually ramming him on the ground and with their horns, and they were shoving him like this, and it was an incredible sight. I had never personally witnessed such a brutal, powerful event.
For the lion, sickness and injury are a death sentence.
And I just remember thinking at the time, this is very surreal. I cannot believe this.
Conservationist Simon Morgan witnessed a similar scene.
We were sitting watching quite a large herd of buffalo moving across, just grazing. And then we spotted a small lion on the other side of the herd, just crouched away, sitting there.
The herd surrounds the young lioness, who tries to escape up a tree. But she's ill, making her an easy target.
And then the next thing, one of those bulls just came around and flicked it out of the tree. We were all just flabbergasted, couldn't believe what was happening.
Cape buffalo aren't usually aggressive unless they're wounded or threatened.
Even at the end of it, when the animal was clearly dead, they were still coming up to it and goring it and kicking it around. For these buffalo, it's their time to get back a little, I guess.